Right, so I'm going to show you how to put a new hard drive in an imac G3, like this one. I don't know. Yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is find your new hard drive. Got this one. Make sure it's configured so that it's a master. So it could be like read by the operating system or something, I think. So just want to focus into that. Make sure that the little, you can see that, that bit is in that hole there. I don't think I'm explaining this very well, but just make sure it's in there so it will work. But most hard drives anyway will be a master. If they're from a computer, they'll probably only be anything else if they're from like a server or something. So yeah. Right, next thing you want to do is open up the computer and actually put the hard drive in it. And I'll show you how to do that now. Right, so first thing to do is screws here, unscrew them. Just unscrew that. Put them somewhere safe. Don't want to lose them like the person that had this computer before did, because there's so many screws missing out of this. I think that's it. Oh yeah, need to pop this off, screwdriver, and then these two screws here. Ooh. Nearly lost the screw there. Right. Next thing, then that will come off. Then you have to take this bit off, this shield thing. It's one screw. Well, there's actually a few, but I only have one. Oh no, two actually. Oh, that's good. Then that will come off. Just pull that off, but you need to actually take off all the screws because I only have two. Right. Then hard drive will come out. You unplug this cable here. Oh god, make sure not to break it. And this one, because you need to use them again. So then these four screws. Oh, right, now you can just take the hard drive out like that. There you go. Right, let's get the new one. Right, here's the new hard drive. 160GB. This old one, 6GB. Hope the new one will work. Let's just put it in then. Right. Ooh. I've got a smaller screwdriver. Let's carry on. Right. Now just plug those cables into the new hard drive and then just do what we just did but backwards. So I just turn the computer on and it's beeping. For some reason it's beeping. I tried to do the last step a few times, it didn't work. It's beeping now, don't know what that means. Well, I googled it and it says there's something wrong with the RAM. So I'm going to try and put the original hard drive back in and see if that works, and if it doesn't work then I have to do another video on how to replace RAM. Yay! Anyway, I'm going to put the original hard drive back in and we'll see if it works. Right, I've put the old hard drive back in, you can see if it still works. It does. That's weird. Yeah, weird. Right, let's just eject this disc. A control key. I don't have the control key. Let's just use a screwdriver. No, can't do that. Screwdriver. Into the control button. It's weird. I don't know. Why it's not working? The battery on the camera is flashing now, so I need to charge it. The dog's there. The dog's in the video. Brilliant. Don't know what to do. I don't think this is gonna work. So, guess that's the end of the video. That was a good one, wasn't it? If I charge my camera battery and I'll record another one. So, maybe the next video will be a bit better. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I can still upload this one though. Anyway, yeah. Next video will be better. And that's the end.